In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can link your Godaddy domain name to your Google site. Now this will be a step-by-step tutorial, and the first thing that you want to do is go to your site on Google Sites. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use this website that I made, so I'll click on that. Now as you can see, it's simply a placeholder website with some dummy information on there. From here you want to go to the gear icon at the top right, so we click on that. And now we can see the fourth option is custom domains. So we click on that, and now it asks connect a custom domain. Use your own domain name that you already purchased, which is what we want. So we click connect domain, and now we want to fill in the domain name that we have. So we go back to Godaddy, and then in the dashboard right here, you will see the domain name that you have, and for me that's studiohassle.com. Then I go back to Google Sites and I'll paste in the domain name right here. And as you can see, we get this error message: this domain isn't verified, please verify your ownership. So we click on that, and now we're going to verify it. So right here under domains, it's already pre-filled the domain name that we want to verify. Then we click continue, and now as you can see, it automatically detects that it's a Godaddy domain name. And now we want to start this verification to make sure that we can link these domains and to prove that it's ours. So we click start verification right here. And then it brings us to Godaddy, and as you can see here, we can click connect to authorize Google to enable the services, domain verification, Gmail setup for your domain name. So we click on connect, just like that. And now as you can see, it's gonna verify, and this may take a minute as it says. So we just wait till this is done. And there we go, we now got the green light, the ownership has been verified, and now we can go and click on go to property, where we can look at the settings of our domain name, and also we can see an analytics of your site. So that is great, this is inside the Google Search Console. Now we need to go back to Google Sites, and we can verify this again, so we can click cancel. We can click connect domain, and now when we paste in our domain name again, we should see a green light. As you can see, we don't get the message that it's not available, so we click next, and now the last thing we need to do is connect to Godaddy by adding a CNAME record. As you can see, we need to go to DNS settings and add this record. So what you want to do, you want to go back to Godaddy right here, and then go to domain on the left sidebar. And then from here, you want to go to DNS right here, and we want to add a record. So right here, you see the button, add new record. So we click on that, and now we want to choose the type, which will be CNAME. And then for the name, it will be www. And then now for the value, we want to go back to our site. And here we can see in the CNAME destination, enter this site. So we simply select this just like that. We copy that, we go back to Godaddy, and then we paste in the value right here. And now we click save. And if you see this message, record name conflicts with another record, we simply want to check if we already have CNAMEs with this name, which I have, and we want to delete that one, just like that. And then now when we try it again, as you can see, it's updating the records, and now it is successfully done. So now we can go back to our Google Sites, and we can click done right here as well, and it's gonna assign the domain correctly. And there we go. Now we successfully connected our domain, studiohassle.com, to our Google site. Now we can simply go back, I can publish the site, and it will be live under this domain name. And then we can see the custom domain name, studiohassle.com, but they also say allow up to 48 hours for this site to also be viewable at this domain name. And that is because linking through DNS can take some time. But this is pretty much the entire video and how you should properly set up your Godaddy domain name with Google Sites. If this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you in the next one. Have a good day.